Hello guys. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about folder structures in React. Yeah. So how to set up a project. So this is about choice and your preference really. So it depends on how you want to set up your project. So I'm going to show you how I set up mine. So you can follow this approach if you want. So let's start with removing all this default React installed React clinic on we don't need React files. Uh, yeah, I think we need the app.js. So we don't need this guy. So let's say let's go from H1 here with Hello React. Okay, uh, don't need a logo too. Uh, app.js. Yeah, I think we don't need this. So we have to remove it. So yeah, so let's leave it. Okay, so let's move into creating our folder. So the first folder I want to create is the component folder. So this is a folder where you store or where you that houses all your components. So I think I've explained what components is earlier in React. They are just chunks of codes that are reusable. Yeah. So a button can be a component. So you're going to reuse your buttons. So you want to save them here so that you can get them anytime you need them. So the other folder I I like store my pages and actually the pages folder. So this is where I store pages. So let's say like the home page, the home page is already in the app.js. Yeah, by choice though. But this is where I keep my pages like the about page, the home page, the dashboard, and just one last important folder. This is like for beginner classes. As we go forward, like we move forward, we're going to have better project, like bigger project, and there are going to be bigger ways on how to arrange our products and stuff. So we're going to I have what's the name? It's called parts. Yeah. So this part is just how I do my things. Like I don't want to write a lot of codes in one file. Yeah, that makes it too long. So this part is where I store chunks of code. So you might be wondering what makes it different from the component. So it's a thing of choice. So I want to make sure everything in the component folder is something I can reuse. While my parts folder is just like let's say the header hero like geez, like let's say the header section and a home page you get so stuff like that so I can put them in my part you get so yeah so I think that's the basic for what we need right now like setting up a project folder. See you guys in the next class.